I know that spray did not lay my lace down like that. Ooh, let me tell y'all, it's hitting. It's definitely hitting.
Best friends. So I'm working with one of my favorite hair vendors, Isee Hair. I love them. Oh my god. So this is their packaging. I do have a 26-inch straight wig for you guys, and I did all the customizations off camera, and we're just gonna go straight into the install, the glueless install. I'm so excited about this because I fell in love with this product.
What up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be installing this wig. Now I showed you guys me bleaching it and what the packaging looks like already. I did not show you guys me styling it because I just flat ironed it, to be honest. Added some baby hairs and a little pony. If you do want a tutorial on this, let me know down below in the description box and I'll do that with another wig for you guys. But I was at the beauty supply, right? And I came across this. So this is Ebin's New York Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray Mega Hold Original. So I know that they have 2 cans of this, a yellow one and a red one. I asked you guys on my Facebook, which have you guys tried this? You guys say yeah, it's bomb, but the red can is better. So I am gonna go out and I'm gonna go get the red can so we can try it together on this channel, because you guys know I love adhesive, especially glueless sprays. So it says fast drying, no residue or buildup, 10 times stronger hold for a lace. And it, the back of it just tells you the description, the directions, the warnings, the ingredients, everything like that. So I got this from a local beauty supply for $3.99. This is a small can. They do have a bigger one. I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not, so I didn't feel like I needed to buy a big one because, you know, honestly, I feel like me and hairsprays don't really go hand in hand, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to apply this, okay? We're gonna try to use this together because, like I said, me and hairspray cans don't go hand in hand, and y'all know what my favorite is, so let's try it. So, because this is a spray, I'm not necessarily gonna clean my hairline, and we're just gonna go straight into the install. Now, I've been having this stocking cap on, and we're gonna leave it on because I don't feel like, you know, dealing with it. So let's do it.
All right, so I'm gonna take this bomb wig and I'm just gonna put it on and adjust it to see how it's sitting. And you know, I'm just gonna touch the hair because it was silky and flowy. It was just nice. So I was like, okay, I think this is HD lace. I'll make sure I have the specs down below in the description box for you guys. But this lace is definitely soft, okay? So you definitely want to be careful when you're plucking and when you're putting your wig on, so you do not get tears or holes or anything like that in your lace, okay? So we're gonna just go ahead and jump right into the install. I'm gonna take my Ebin spray. I shook it up because it is a brand new can, and I'm going to spray it in the center of my forehead just to adhere it down. So I did put some underneath, and then I did spray some on top to see if it would make a difference, and it really didn't when it came to the actual install. So you could spray underneath or on top of the lace. It's not going to make your lace sticky or anything like that, because my wig turned out really nice at the end of this glueless install. So after I spray it, I do blow dry it down for maybe 2 or 3 minutes to make sure that it's all the way blow dry down tight. And when I get to the sides of my face, I'm gonna pin back my baby hairs because I do not want them to get sticky or them being in the way in general. So I pin them back. I'm gonna cut off the little ear tabs where the lace is a little bit too long and it covers my ear, and then from there I'm gonna just lift the lace back up, spray that area with the Ebin hairspray, spread it out because it is liquid, so it do kind of drip, okay? Like that thing gonna drip, so you want to be careful with how much you spray. You do not need a lot. And I'm gonna lay the lace down and then blow dry her on down, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. So this wig actually came pre-plucked. I did not pluck anything on this wig. The only thing that I did do was cut baby hairs and bleach the knots, as you can see, because they're overly bleached. So you guys are going to see me fix that later on in the video with another Ebin product, but this is something that I do anyway, and I didn't buy this product, that product that you're going to see me use later, just to do that. Like, I use it for my actual makeup. So if you're in a clutch and you're in a rush and you need to just, you know, correct your knots real quick, and you have, you know, dark hair, that method will be the best thing for you. Okay, so as you can see, my wig is on. I tugged it and I was very surprised, because I was like, okay, wait, this thing is on. It feels like liquid gold to me. Like, the adherence feels like liquid gold. Like, I could have this on for a couple of days and it will not move. Like, and you guys know, like, how I like to spray liquid gold, and I mean, put liquid gold in the back of my lace. Like, I feel like I could spray the whole little cap, everything like that, and have that down like that, and it'll just be bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor, and I'm gonna just, what I did was I outlined, I put the bottom of the razor in underneath the lace to just make sure that it's mimicking my actual hairline, because as you can see, it look ashy right there. So that's me outlining my actual hairline, right? And then I'm gonna just cut off the excessive areas that is not laid down, but you're gonna see me lay that down at later on in this video. But after that, I'm gonna take, at first I started using spritz to lay my baby hairs down, but then I was like, this must have some good hold. So then I ended up using the actual Ebin spray to lay down my baby hairs as well, which actually worked. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side. I'm gonna sketch out my hairline. Be careful with the razor, because you could definitely cut yourself. And I'm gonna just cut off the excessive lace. I feel like Isee is one of my top 10 hair vendors that I like to work with. I like to purchase from. Like, I will always purchase Isee hair from Amazon, because, like, you know, you can use Amazon Prime and you can get it super fast. The hair has never steered me wrong, and like, I've actually purchased it with my own money and I haven't had any problems with it. So I like to work with them when it comes to hair reviews, and for me to even purchase it, or me telling my homies to purchase it if they needed some quick hair or anything like that. So I'm just laying down my edges, you feel me, because you actually didn't really even need baby hairs with this hairstyle, but I'm just so used to wearing them, so I like putting my baby hairs down. So I pin my hair up, and I'm gonna take the Ebin spray, and I'm gonna spray my hairline to make everything blend in, and I'm gonna use my elastic band to push that hairspray and the lace down onto my skin so you can't see the line of demarcation. All right, and so after that happens, after it dries, I'm going to take my Ebin felt eyeliner pencil. Look at that hairline. It look good. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take my eyeliner pencil, which it looks like that, okay, and I'm just going to like lightly fill in the areas that were over bleached, so you can't really tell in person, but I know that they're over bleached, but it is what it is. I rather kind of over bleach them to make sure my knots is not there than you know, me under bleaching them and me trying to cover the knots. Like, so, because you can always go back and fix the actual over bleaching of the knots. So I'm just using an Ebin eyeliner to do this, and that is it, you guys.
Okay, you guys, so my thoughts on this, I actually love it. You guys told me to try the red can. I'm definitely gonna go out and purchase the red can today so I can do a video on it this week before the week is up, because this is good. If you are a non-glue wearer, this is good. You know, I will say that it's on the equal version to the liquid gold, how the liquid gold dry down. Like I'm down. Like, I ain't going nowhere. Like, it's hitting, it's good. Like, the dry time, probably like 2 minutes to dry down. I was shifting from cool to hot, or warm, okay, cool to warm, shifting back and forth. I did it in sections so I could make sure that I pulled it further enough, because this is like this is a liquid, it's in an aerosol can, so it's not going to be tacky, like, you feel me? So I like to spray it, put the lace down, blow dry it down, and bada boom bam, like, it's on. So I love it. And even like, this is bomb. Even come on, just go ahead, send me some of these bottles, because I want to use this. And I used it for my baby hair, to lay my baby hair down, and it really worked. Also, in this video, you guys saw me like kind of correct my over bleached knots, and I actually used, where's at? You guys, I can't even find it, but it's an Ebin eyeliner pencil, like a felt tip. I will put a picture of it right here that I have. And I just use that to just correct my little over bleached knots. Like, it ain't a big deal, because I could just go in after I take my wig off and really tone it the way that it should be. But anyway, I love this. It actually came out cute. Thumbs this video up for me if you want to see me redo this hairstyle on the camera for you guys, like actually like style it and how I got it all slick and nice. It's so slick and nice, okay? I've never had it. I've had it half up, half down, but like all of this would have been up, not just the middle. So I've never had it like this, and I think this is cute. I really would like a little bit more hair up in here, but other than that, she's hits, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see me do the part 2 of the red can, make sure you like this video, comment down below, okay? Just comment down something so bomb. Okay, put a bomb emoji, okay? Put a bomb emoji down there for me, all right? And I'll be back with another video. And until next time, bye, best friends.